It's been a while since I've been here at the lagoon filming birds, but I saw these babies and I came back. I've been seeing a few birds that I think are a little different, but look at the eyes on these guys and the tails. I wonder what they are. I hope they don't disappear as I get closer. Can you see them? It's like they've got a thick coat of mascara around their eyes. They're gray in color, kind of a very, but tending to light gray. And the tail has like a dark tan, light brown, then a little bit more gray, and then black on the tip. Fabulous. Fabulous. I'll be quiet now. The feathers look kind of speckled. Some different angles. To catch you up, here's what else is available out here on the beach. Hi, baby. I should come out here more often. There's our snowy egret way over on the other side. Okay, we'll come out and film you more often. Today is October 4th.